We are kind of unique as being involved on both independent agronomy and planner and technology. And with some of our field days that we have, and being a farmer myself and having enough acreage around here, we can do quite a bit of testing. We can do test plots that we show customers during those field days, or else we just gather that information for like winter presentations, etc. I'm actually going to talk about some of our closing wheels and emergence studies that we've done at the National No-Till Conference this year. But what I'm showing here is some of the different things we've done, both planner-wide and agronomy-wise in the same fields. And this is on one of my fields, so we've actually done as far as population trials with the planner and showed those. We've done different fertilizer additives, etc. We've done fungicide and showed different things like that, and showcased that type of data. Does it pay? Does it not pay? The other things we've also shown is downforce trials within some of our fields and that. So, I mean, we pride ourselves, as I said in the past, on education to our customers. And this is one way to bring hands-on, local, and I emphasize local education to our growers and customers and clients. From the simple standpoint, this isn't happening on beautiful soil in Illinois and Iowa that's, 3-foot deep topsoil. This is local data. And we can share that with them and take some of that information back to their own operations.